Act against. To oppose or take actions in conflict with someone or something. The company decided to act against the unfair regulations. He chose to act against the advice given by his mentors. Act up. Meaning to misbehave or not function properly. The computer started acting up after I installed the new software. The children always act up when they're tired. Act as. Meaning to perform a particular role or function. He acts as the team leader in most of our projects. The spare room can act as a home office when needed. Act 4. Meaning to represent someone or something. She is acting for her colleague while they're on vacation. The lawyer will act for the company during negotiations. Act upon. To respond or take action based on advice, suggestions, or an opportunity. They acted upon the advice given by the financial advisor. You should act upon this job offer before it's too late. Act with. To perform or behave in accordance with a certain principle or quality. She always acts with integrity, no matter the situation. He acted with courage during the crisis and saved the situation. Act in. To perform as a particular character in a play, movie, or performance. She acted in several successful movies last year. The actor prefers to act in comedies rather than dramas. Act out. To express emotions or feelings through behavior, often in an exaggerated manner. He tends to act out his frustrations when things don't go his way. The students were asked to act out a scene from the play. Act down. To reduce the significance of something through one's actions. His humble behavior acted down the impact of his impressive achievements. She tried to act down her success to not make others feel uncomfortable. Act on behalf of. To represent someone in an official or legal capacity. The lawyer will act on behalf of the defendant in court. She acted on behalf of the company during the negotiations. Act of. To behave differently or perform worse than usual. He's acting off today. I wonder if something is bothering him. The team acted off during the game, and they lost by a large margin. Act towards. To behave or treat someone or something in a specific way. He always acts kindly towards animals. She acted coldly towards her colleague after their disagreement. Act through. To persist in doing something until completion. They acted through the night to finish the project before the deadline. Despite the challenges, they acted through and completed the marathon. Act off of. To base actions or decisions on a particular reference or information. They decided to act off of the new market trends. It's important to act off of reliable data rather than assumptions. Act on. To take action or implement based on information or instructions. The committee decided to act on the recommendations immediately. It's crucial to act on customer feedback to improve services. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos on YouTube and Facebook.